Hi guys, today we have another video. It's gonna be a review. Well, it's gonna be another. It's gonna be a review. Not gonna make it a finds series video. But I got this at an estate sale today. It's the Panasonic HDC-HS9, as you can see. I might. This is a pretty nice camera I found. I almost got an older Samsung camcorder, but when I saw this and it said 1080p HD, I grabbed it. I was at an estate sale. It has like some sort of lens cover on it, just to protect the lens, which I'm keeping that on there because that's nice to have. Yeah, it's a pretty nice camera since it's made by Panasonic, which at the time is pretty nice. Now it's probably, I'm assuming, either a 10 or 12-year-old camera, but it says 1080p HD, and I think it records either, I think it said 24 FPS, which is not the best, but that was at the time. I just need to buy a charger for it, since I couldn't find the charger for it. I must have to open up, this hinge is loose on it, so when I take videos on this will be a pain. As you can see, you won't be able to see it, but I'll read it. You get auto, manual, focus switches, get a reset button, get your little knobby thing. Sorry about all the, 1 second. Sorry about that, there's a lot of noise, and then we get whatever this just OI, or whatever that thing is, OIS, optical image stabilization, I think is what that is, stabilization, menu, disk copy, power LCD extra, trash button, get your AV component and USB thing. I just need to buy the battery for this, then it will be able to use it. This will be my new vlogging camera. I'm not opening that right now. Now let me just shut the... The hand is very loose. Moving to this side. Let me just put more light. Get off. Whatever that red thing is. I think like an SD card thing and a video playback thing. Yeah, access HDD, which is a hard disk drive. Pre-record, and I guess you can do that to where you can have your face in the thing. Moving up here, you get your volume and your zoom buttons. Get your picture button. Get your 5.1 surround sound. It says SD. Oh, it says SD and hard disk drive hybrid. And then you get your three. Oh, sorry about that noise. I'm trying to make this video nice and quick. I already showed you that. Moving on to, well, that's your record button right there, which is obvious. Don't worry about this, I cannot get that off. There was a big red lanyard on it, but I took it off since it was all beat up. You get your Panasonic strap, so you can have it in your hand like a vlogger. I don't do vlogging that much. This lens cover did not come on the camera. I mean, it came with, when I got at the estate sale, but it came on it. But usually when you buy these kind of cameras, they don't come with that. Well, it'd also be nice because they don't get a dust protector, which is not where it is, but that was the review on the, I was not looking at the bottom, but that was the review on the Panasonic HDC-HS9 FHD camcorder, since it records in 1080p at 1920 by 1080 at 24 FPS. I think that's what it says. It's 1080 slash 24, which I'm assuming is 1080p at 24 FPS. But yeah, that was the review on this. Bye, guys.